showers and thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, central Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Okfuskee County in east central Oklahoma, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northwest of Pharoah, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been reported by the public. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Okmulgee, Okemah, Henrietta, Morris, Walitka, Dewar, Schulter, Grayson, Hoffman, Clearview, Bald Hill, Okmulgee State Park, Pharoah, Hichita, Bryant, Iram. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 219 and 243. The storm is producing large hail up to golf ball size. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows,